derivatives, yes, it is daily practice. We write all the derivatives every day so that there will be a practice for you. What is that? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n, n into x raised to n minus of 1, derivative of x square 2x, derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x, derivative of a raised to x, a raised to x into log of a, derivative of log x, it is what? 1 by x. Algebraic. Trigonometric, derivative of sin x, cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of tan x, sec square x, derivative of cot x minus cosec square x, derivative of sec x into tan x, derivative of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. Then the rules: differentiation of constant 0, differentiation of constant into function, constant as it is, differentiation of the function, differentiation of first function plus second function, differentiation of first function plus differentiation of second function, differentiation of first function into second function. This is called product rule. ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇದು. First function as it is, differentiation of the second function minus plus second function as it is, differentiation of the first function. This is what product rule. This is a sum or difference. If it is a plus, plus, minus, minus, but it is into. Today we have the discussion of two functions. One is in the numerator, another one in the denominator. What is this? This is known as a what? Product rule. And this is known as a what? Quotient rule. If I complete this today, then total chapter is completed. Then we go for the solving the problems. That is one exercise. Most probably within 2 days I complete the whole chapter. Total trigonometry and calculus, 30% of our weightage is completed. 30% ಮುಗಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Then we start the CET and the NEET questions. CET and IIT questions. One more is that is called first principle. What is this first principle? We know this first principle. The first principle states that dy by dx is equal to, it is a limit of f of x plus of h minus f of x divided by h as h tends to 0. Or you can write this one as a dy by dx is equal to, it is a limit of f of x plus delta x minus of f of x divided by delta x as delta x tends to 0. Right? Both of them are correct. ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಐ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ more and more problems as I illustrated examples, because number of problems given in your textbook are very little. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you should practice more number of the problems. Okay. In the last class, previous class, I had given 10 problems for the product rule. With the answers ನಾನು ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. Everyone will get all the 10 problems will be correct. Definitely ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ if you observe the video carefully. If you have any doubts, you can put it in your notification. You can put it in your query column, which is in our app. ಆ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಾರಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಫೈನ್. Now the quotient rule. What is this quotient rule? Quotient rule, it is okay. Quotient rule I have to write. What is the quotient rule? One is y is equal to u by v, or you can write f of x is equal to u by v. Let where you write mention where u v are functions of x, as x then increments. Increase in your father's payment, then there is an increment in your pocket money, there is an increment in your ice cream parlor, there will be increment in a pizza corner. These are the increments in x, y, u, v. Then what we say? As x changes to ಏನಾಗ್ತತಿ x plus delta x, y changes to y plus delta y, u changes to u plus delta u, v changes to v plus delta v, because these are all increments. ಒಂದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ. Of course, calculus is nothing but what? Study of change. Y is equal to f of x is equal to u divided by v. Tell me what is f of x plus delta x? U plus delta u divided by v plus delta v. What is your first principle? What are the first principle states? dy by dx is equal to yes, limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by delta x. If I say delta x, it is also delta x. Delta x tends to 0. This is a very common discussion. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಬರೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಬರದೆ. Now I substitute the values. Limit of what is f of x plus delta x? U plus delta u divided by v plus delta v minus what is f of x? U by v divided by delta x, as delta x tends to 0. dy by dx is equal to yes, limit of. Now I have to simplify this. What is the LCM? V plus delta v into v, v into u plus delta u minus u into v plus delta v, right, divided by delta x. Observe carefully this step, as delta x tends to 0. U plus delta u and LCM ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ this into this divided by delta x. Therefore it is limit of, in the numerator I expand, it comes in the denominator, v plus delta v into delta x, as it is numerator, uv plus v delta u minus uv minus u delta v. uv cancels, delta x tends to 0. limit of ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಲ್ಲೇ, v delta u minus u delta v divided by v plus delta v into delta x, as delta x tends to 0. Now I write it in a systematic way. This delta x is applicable to this. Idukondu baritene. Systematic way I divide limit of v delta u divided by u delta v divided by delta x into 1 divided by v into v plus delta v. I can write like this. As delta x tends to 0, observe this divided by delta x into this. Mundugade dy by dx is equal to, right, limit of v delta u divided by delta x idukku sambandha minus u delta v divided by delta x idukku sambandha into, as it is, v into v plus delta v as delta x tends to 0. Limit is applicable to all the terms. V into delta u by delta x as delta x tends to 0, first function, minus limit of u delta v divided by delta x as delta x tends to 0, second function, right? And here limit of 1 divided by v into v plus delta v as delta v tends to 0. Yes, but it is in the what? Denominator. What is this? V, and this is du by dx, because delta u by delta x as delta x tends to 0. This is u. Delta v by delta x means dv divided by dx into, it is 1 divided by v into v plus delta v is how much? 0. As delta x tends to 0, delta v tends to 0. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಾ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ದೊಂದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. therefore it is a divided by v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by, it is divided by ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಇದು ಈಟಾ, ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. v into v is equal to how much? v square. This is what your dy by dx or d by dx of u by v is equal to, it is v into du by dx minus v into dv by dx u into dv by dx divided by v square. It is a theory. I have covered the theory. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ದೆನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. Consider a function y is equal to u divided by v. F of x is equal to u by v, where u and v are the functions of x. Let delta x, delta y, delta u, delta v be the increments in x, y, u, v. X changes to x plus delta x, y changes to y plus delta y, u changes to this, v changes to this. F of x is u by v. X plus delta x is u plus delta v, v. First principle, dy by dx is limit of, ಬರ್ದೇರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ u plus delta u v plus delta v minus of u by v. LCM, I have taken the LCM. uv into u plus delta v, LCM ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, product of these two, this into this and this into this, right, it comes in the denominator. Numerator expansion, uv v delta u minus uv minus u into delta v, these two cancel. v delta u minus u delta v, denominator as it is. Delta x ಇಲ್ಲಿ remember it is in the denominator. ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೈತಿ, ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? If you want, I can write it in a separately. If I take these two in the denominator, it is what? In the denominator. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿನಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. In the denominator we write v plus delta v. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. Otherwise, if you want to make it clear, it is in the denominator only it comes. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅಗದಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಟೇಲಾಗೇ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, I can write it. Observe. This is this, and in the denominator I write the limit. The same one will come, but normally ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ limit of v plus delta v as delta v tends to 0. This is what? V into du by dx. This is what? U into dv by dx. Here substitute the limits. What is that? V into delta v. V into v plus delta v is equal to how much? 0. Why? Delta x tends to 0. Delta v also tends to 0. V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. V into v is equal to v square. This is what your dy by dx. Yes, but what is y? U by v. V into du by dx, u into du by dx. ಇದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಪುಸ್ತಕದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ರೂಲ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈಗೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ RMP ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಿ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಈ ಡಿಸೀಸಿಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಯು ನೋ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. Remember this. Now I give the more clarification about that. Again, if you by heart like this, ಅದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನೆನಪಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ಇಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Right. Now I write the rule. I tell you how to apply that rule. To apply the rule, how to write, how to remember that rule. Okay. What is the quotient rule? It is d by dx of u by v is equal to ಏನಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? It is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನು. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಶ ಬೈ ಛೇದ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಚಲೋ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು. ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರದಾರ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ divided by v, that is denominator square. This is the rule. u by v ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಂತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹಂಗನ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಳ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. u by v numerator by denominator, the place of v denominator, differentiation of numerator minus u numerator, d by dx of denominator square of the denominator. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನು. I tell you in a very systematic way. Here there is a minus sign. In product rule, if you differentiate first function or second function, not an issue. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಕಮಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಲಾ, ಅದನ್ನಾರ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಂದಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಅವಂಗಾರ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗಾರ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator, the same thing I have written. But bari paddhati nodidre na, square the denominator, we start with here, square the denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲರೂ? ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. Now we list today example that makes you perfect. Therefore I take examples. Therefore example I number 1, y is equal to x square divided by sin x. Find dy by dx. Okay, y is equal to x square divided by sin x, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square into sin x, right? Now differentiation starts. ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬಾಯಿ ಸೂತ್ರ ಅಂತಿರಬೇಕು, ಕಣ್ಣ ಉತ್ತರ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. What is that? Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. Square the denominator, it is numerator and it is square the denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Once you apply the rule, rest of the job is, if there is a dy by dx, you find the derivative, otherwise keep it as it is. Another ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು dy by dx is equal to, okay, sin square x ಮೊದಲು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ, sin x as it is ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ as it is ಹಿಂದೆ d by dx ಇಲ್ಲ. Derivative of x square, we know derivative of x square is 2x. X square as it is, derivative of sin x, we know that is what, cos x. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಗೀತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx term, it is understood ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದಿನಿ ಈಗ, dy by dx term ಇಲ್ಲ, therefore this itself is the what answer. ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? y is equal to x square by sin x, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx of this. Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, difference of the denominator. Sin square x as it is, x square is 2x minus x square, derivative of sin x is equal to how much, cos x. Note down. I solve more number of problems. Okay, what is the quotient rule? Square the denominator as it is, minus numerator, differentiation of the denominator. Quotient rule, square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Inname, what is the quotient rule? Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. What is that? Differentiation of the numerator by denominator, square the denominator, denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. One example. Second example, derivative of e raised to x divided by log x. It is numerator by denominator or u by v. What is the formula? Square the denominator, denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Log x bracket square, log x as it is, differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. The answer. ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಡ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ e raised to x ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಗೀತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ರಿಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ dy by dx ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. dy by dx ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು. Take the second one. Y is equal to x cube divided by or tan x divided by x cube. Y is equal to tan x divided by x cube. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan x divided by x cube. What is this? Square the denominator, denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator, numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Then simplify. X raised to 6, x cube as it is ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಡೆರಿವಿಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿನಾಲೂ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡೆರಿವಿಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓವರ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, y is equal to x cube plus 4x divided by sin x or log x. First it is of the form u by v. Y is equal to x cube plus 4x divided by log x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube plus 4x divided by log x. Square the denominator, denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Square the denominator, denominator as it is, difference of the numerator minus numerator as it is, difference of the denominator. It is log x bracket square, log x d by dx of this u plus of v, derivative of x cube plus derivative of 4x minus x cube plus 4x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Log x bracket square, log x, derivative of x cube is 3x square. Correct alla? Constant into function, 4 outside, differentiation of x is 1 minus x cube plus 4x divided by x. Don't stay. Once again, x cube plus 4x log x, d by dx of x cube plus 4x log x, square the denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Square of this log x, derivative of x cube, derivative of 4x. Log x cube is 3x square and it is a 4. The answer. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೆಂದಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್? Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator, minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. We are following that rule. Right. Sixth one, differentiation of 5 log x plus 3 sin x divided by x cube plus 5x square. Observe, it is of the form u divided by v only. Numerator by denominator, apply the rule. Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. This is what? X cube plus 5x square bracket square, x cube plus 5x square. Again two functions. Differentiation of 5 log x, differentiation of 3 sin x. Minus, it is as it is, 5 log x plus 3 sin x and derivative of x cube plus derivative of 5x square. Simple, ನೋಡಕ್ಕಷ್ಟ ಲೆಂದಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ. Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, difference of the denominator is as it is. Idu hanga itini. If you observe, it is of the form u plus v, differentiation of u plus differentiation of v minus as it is, difference of this and this. Now dy by dx is equal to x cube plus 5x square bracket square, x cube plus 5x square. What is that? Constant into function. Ali nodbekala. Constant into function 5 outside, difference of log x is 1. 5 into 1 by x plus 3 sin x. 3 outside, differentiation of sin x is cos x minus this one as it is. 5 log x plus 3 sin x as it is. Again differentiation of this. Difference of x cube and this. X cube is 3x square plus 5 outside, differentiation of x square is 2x. 5 2s are 10x. This is what the required answer. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಿಂತ ಉತ್ತರನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ನದು ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಿಂತ ಉತ್ತರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ನೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸು. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 1 or 2 days ಐ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು 5 ರಿಂದ 6 ದಿನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯು. ವಿದೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಟುಡೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್, definitely you can solve all the problems. You can check it out whether it is correct or not. ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Square the denominator as it is differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is difference of the denominator. As it is differentiation of first function, difference of the second, difference of the first function, difference of the second. X cube into 5x square, 5 outside, difference of this is 1 by x. 3, difference of sin x is cos x. 5 plus 3 sin x, x cube means 3x square, differentiation of 5x square is 10x. Right? Next. These are the problems harder than the problems which are given in your textbook. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋದ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. Again this is different. Y is equal to x square into sin x divided by log x. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, okay, quotient rule. Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator is how much? Log x. Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, difference of the denominator. It is log x bracket square, log x. Observe carefully, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯು ಇಂಟು ವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಭಾರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಐತಿ ಇದು. ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಕುಂತೈತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಗಡಬಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ. sin x and difference of log x is simple, 1 by x. Now write the derivative. dy by dx is equal to square the denominator, right, log x as it is, x square, derivative of sin x is cos x, sin x as it is, derivative of x square is 2x, minus this one, 1x cancels, x sin of x. This is what the answer. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೋಶಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್. Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator as it is. If there is a d by dx, then you have to observe what type of the function it is. It is a product. First function difference of the second plus second function difference of the first. X square sin x, difference of log x is 1 by x. They cancel each other. X square as it is, sin x is cos x. Sin x as it is, difference of x square is 2x minus x sin x. ಒಂದು ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೀತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ all the rules. That is called master. I call such problems as a master problems which requires all the rules. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಲೇನ ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. y is equal to everything you require log x into root x or cos x into log x divided by 3x square minus say e raised to x plus 7. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಸಮ್ ಐತಿ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯಾರ್ದಾರ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನಫ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಫ್ ಈ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ನೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this cos x into log x divided by 3x square minus e raised to x plus of 7. Apply the rule. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ as it is. Differentiation of the numerator cos x into log x minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator 3x square minus e raised to x plus of 7. Now it is equal to 3x square minus e raised to x plus 7 bracket square as it is. Product rule it is. Product rule ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡಿ, observe u and v. First function as it is, differentiation of the second plus second function as it is, differentiation of the first. ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲೇ? Product rule. Then minus of cos x into log x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sum or difference, differentiation of 1 by 1 3x square minus differentiation of e raised to x, differentiation of 7. This is equal to ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಸ್ತಕದೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ yes, d by dx of cos x 1 by x log x 1 by x log x as it is, differentiation of cos x minus sin x ಮುಗೀತು. First function log x is 1 by x, log x differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus cos x log x. Again 1 by 1, 3 outside, constant into function. It is what? Sum. It is what? Constant into function. ಇದೇನು? Constant. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದುಲ್ಲ. Sum, difference, sum and difference, product, sum and difference, constant, constant into function, all the rules ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಅದು. Constant outside, differentiation of x square 2x, difference of e raised to x is e raised to x, constant is equal to how much? 0. This is what the answer. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಡೋದ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಉತ್ತರ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಐತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? Once again, Numerator by denominator, square the denominator, denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, different of the denominator. As it is. Product rule, first function differentiation of the second plus second function different of the first. As it is. Differentiation of sum or difference, one by one, differentiation of this, different of second, different of third. Square this as it is. Cos x, log x is 1 by x. Log x as it is, different of cos x. LD by dx aithe adar derivative bariri. Cos x into log x. 3 outside, x square is 2x, e raised to x is e raised to x, constant is equal to how much? 0. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇದು ತಿಳಿದಿತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಯು ವೋಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್. ವೆರಿ ಟಿನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್. ಸಣ್ಣ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಅದಾವ, ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸುವತ್ನಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಎಸ್, ನಾವು ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅದು ಹೋಗೋತ್ನಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಭಾಳ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ 1. y is equal to tan x divided by x raised to 4. I write the answer. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರು ಬರ್ದ ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅದರದ್ದು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ dy by dx is equal to, it is a x raised to 4 sec square x minus of tan x into 4 of x cube divided by x raised to 8. This is what the answer. Second, y is equal to log x divided by e raised to x. Answer dy by dx is equal to e raised to x 1 by x plus log x e raised to x divided by e raised to x bracket square. You can take e raised to x common and cancel it. Third one, y is equal to x cube plus 2x divided by sec x. Answer dy by dx is equal to sec x into 3x square plus of 2 minus, this is sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x. Observe therefore, sec x into 3x square plus of 2, 3x cube plus 2x into sec x tan x divided by sec square x. If you want, you can take sec x outside. Fourth one, y is equal to, ದೊಡ್ಡದ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದು. y is equal to x square divided by log x into cos x, sin x. Answer dy by dx is equal to log x into sin of x, and it is a 2x minus of x square into log x cos x minus of sin x divided by x divided by log x into sin of x bracket square. This is the answer. Last one, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Fifth one is big one. Y is equal to 3 tan x minus of 4x square plus of 3 divided by x cube into tan x. Answer dy by dx is equal to x cube tan of x into 3 sec square x minus 8x minus 3 tan x minus 4x square plus of 3 into x cube sec square x plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿ x cube sec square x plus tan x into 3x square divided by x cube tan x bracket square. This is what the answer. ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬರೀತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಚಂದಾಗ ಕಂಡಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಲ್ಲೇ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? dy by dx is equal to ಎಸ್ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? x cube tan x into 3 sec square x minus of 8x ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. 3 tan x minus 4x cube plus of 3 ಇದು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. Now I have the space. x cube sec square x plus of tan x into 3x square whole divided by x cube ಅಂದರೆ x cube tan x bracket square. This is what the answer. ಇದರ ಬರೀರಿ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಒಂದು the same answer I have written here. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ. The answer for this is what your answer. So these are the 5 problems I have given. You just try. Definitely you will get the solutions. Answers ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Over. Right. Differentiation, all the rules you remember and you solve this. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರಿಲ್ಲ. Differentiation of constant 0, differentiation of constant into function, constant as it is, differentiation of the function, differentiation of first function plus second function, difference of the first function plus difference of the second function, differentiation of the product, first function as it is, difference of the second plus second function as it is, difference of the first. Quotient rule, square the denominator, denominator as it is, difference of the numerator minus numerator as it is, difference of the denominator. Okay, done.